how niggas get fucked in their mouth. You know that, right?
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, and I recorded me saying that, nigga, so everybody will know I'll fuck you in your ass.
What? What the fuck?
Oh, God. That's a torta. Oh, there's a cop, nigga. I'm so serious. So if I tell you to go, nigga, go. Nah, oh no, he going that way. We good. He finna get that Bronco. Where you going? Oh my God, the crackles on this bitch just go pop, 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 pop. Oh yeah, it do. I forgot I'm on the phone with you and we not paired up, so I can't listen to my music. Fucking piece of shit. Go. No, they didn't even ship my shit, bro. Yeah, nigga. All them pops and bangs and bangs and pops. What are you doing? Come on. Don't be a bitch. Let's go.
I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody y'all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind that they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, this shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing, doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name, but it ain't on the gold chain. Saying things that they won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay. Turning this shit to a brand, it was a part of the plan. No one knew who I was, now they know who I am. Gotta get straight to the business, building it up like it's Tetris. They say that I'm something to witness, dropping these rhymes and they vicious. Going in when it's game time.
What happened? Hey, Tom. What happened? Yeah. God damn it. Not the side. Fucking go up on this exit. We was just doing dumb shit. If we pull over on the side, nigga, we're fucked. Alright, go to that gas station. We gotta make this quick. God damn indeed. The zip top broke. Fuck. The one in the middle. Fuck. Bro, you need metal zip ties. Fuck. Bro, I think the closest place where we can get zip ties is back to where we just came. Unless this dude got some zip ties. You want me to ask him? Hey, boss man. Real quick, I don't mean to disturb you. You got any zip ties? No, zip ties. No, I'm not asking.
Who put you on the planet?
How?
He always works.
Yeah? You don't think you do? Fuck. We might have to go to the Wally World. All right. Cause yeah. Fucking Walmart is just up the road, so we can to be slow, we can hit this. Hey, look. We can hit this, take it to Plymouth, turn left on Plymouth and go down. And then Walmart right there. And then we can hop back on the freeway. You wanna wait for him to see if he got any, or you wanna just go? All right, you go over there, bitch. It's your zip ties. I'm going to get something to drink. Oh. 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 Look at this, bro. It looks so fucking nice. Listening to the music, vibing. All these cars, they're going so slow. Oh. suck. I don't like this. How do I keep always do that? Oh, it feels so fucking good. I'm listening to my boy Mike ST. Ooh. What the fuck? Grandma was driving that. I mean, I go George. I was trying to be a little quiet because there was a kid in the back. I didn't know if the kid was sleeping or not, but I seen the car seat. That's a lot of people. It's a lot of people up here, and it's 8:24. There's a Corvette in the back of that. Like the old school Corvette, not like one of the new ones. I like those. They got the little weird top. the fuck this nigga got me going? My shit's getting hot.